You walk into the room. And something feels wrong. The litter box is clean. But the mess is somewhere else. Your cat did not forget. Your cat is trying to tell you something. This is one of the most frustrating problems cat owners face. A cat that always used the litter box suddenly stops. No warning. No explanation. But here is the strange part. Cats are naturally clean animals. They are biologically programmed to bury waste. So when they stop, it is not random. It is a signal. A message from their body or their mind. Let us decode it. In the wild, cats hide their scent to avoid predators. Using the litter box is part of this instinct. Real-life example. A well-trained indoor cat suddenly avoids the box. But here is the deeper truth. If a cat feels unsafe, it may choose a different location. Because the brain prioritizes safety over habit. This is not disobedience. It is survival thinking. Sometimes the issue is not behavioral. It is physical. Real-life example. A cat urinates outside the box repeatedly. But here is what scientists discovered. Pain changes behavior. Conditions like urinary infections or inflammation create discomfort, so the cat associates the litter box with pain and avoids it. The brain creates a negative link. Cats are extremely sensitive to change. Even small disruptions affect them. Real-life example. New furniture. Guests in the house. Another pet. But here is the surprising part. Stress activates the nervous system. And changes normal habits. The cat is not being difficult. It is reacting. The problem may not be the cat. It may be the box. Real-life example. Dirty litter. Strong smell. Wrong location. But here is the science. Cats rely heavily on smell. If the box smells unpleasant or feels uncomfortable, the brain rejects it. Also, whisker sensitivity can make narrow boxes uncomfortable. Cats are territorial animals. They use scent to mark space. Real-life example. A cat starts urinating outside the box after a new pet arrives. But here is the key insight. This is communication. The cat is marking territory. Sending a message. This space is mine. Cats have strong memory patterns. One bad experience can change behavior. Real-life example. A loud noise happens while the cat is using the litter box. After that, the cat avoids it. But here is what happens in the brain. The event gets linked with the location. So the box becomes a place of danger. Cats depend on routine. Predictability makes them feel safe. Real-life example. Feeding time changes. Litter cleaning becomes irregular. But here is the deeper layer. The brain builds patterns. When patterns break, behavior changes. Your cat is not being stubborn. It is communicating. Through behavior. Through instinct. Through subtle signals. Every accident has a reason. Every change has a cause. When you understand the signal, you fix the problem. Now think carefully. Did something change in your cat's environment? Tell me in the comments.